I feel like I'm going to do this and it's going to go all over the ceiling. And...
We've just arrived at Canggu Cooking Retreat, and today we're going to be doing a cooking class, which I'm very excited about.
Definitely.
They do offer a class with cycling, but we opted for the no cycling option.
So they do like adventure tours and street food tours and all sorts of stuff as well. And then, as you can see behind me, there's like a swimming pool and everything here because it's also a homestay. So you can actually come and stay here and do cooking classes and everything with them. It's just super quiet. There's nothing really here.
It's beautiful here.
Speaking of super quiet, we've actually hit the jackpot today and we are going to be the only two people
VIPs
in this class. So we've been speaking to a guy called Kadek who is in charge, and we're assuming we're the person that's going to be like taking us through everything, and we don't know a hell of a lot, so I suppose
I'm excited to learn.
Yeah, come along, cook with us, and we'll try some food and see where we go from there. This has got to be the most beautiful scene for a cooking class. So this is the homestay that we mentioned. This is the like the rooms with a beautiful like double tiered pool here. Come around, this is the door that we first walked in, and there's just this big green open area. There's another couple of rooms there. This is obviously Stacey here, and this is Kadek. And then yeah, this is the cooking spot. That's the kitchen down there. So there's a couple of areas here to like hang out and everything. This is all of their like greenery and homegrown produce and everything that we'll be cooking with, but it's just silent out here. So it is off a bit of a busy road, and there's just nothing out here. Just peaceful little villas, green. Oh, and whatever that was. Is that a goat maybe? Maybe goat.
Duck sate lilit, that one. And then karangasem sambal udang, which is prawn curry.
Okay. So Kadek is just going to take us down now to have a look around the grounds and at their gardens.
Let's go. It's hot today.
Oh yeah, it's toasty. Wow!
What's this one?
Lemongrass.
This thing here?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize it would get that high. I would just assume that was just some like overgrown.
Just stem. Need the stem.
Oh, from down in here.
Down here, but this is what we need actually, and it's good to protect you from the mosquitoes.
Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, we need lots of that.
Oh wow.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. We let it grow under the ground, under the soil. So yeah, and it will grow again.
So we were right. That was goats down there. So they've got absolutely everything from turmeric, like you would have seen the lemongrass. There's like there's peppers, there's apples, there's ducks, there's chickens. There's just literally everything comes from right here. There's all their greens. There was like cassava. There's papaya and the trees. It's just yeah, literally everything is completely homegrown. This is our spot right here. It looks like he's got us a little drink, and we're about to start. Drink time?
Yeah.
It's not like
Thank you. Merci. Do you cheers these? I don't know if you're supposed to cheers.
Oh wow.
What is
So it's nutmeg mixed with some lime juice, and I think there was some sugar in there. There's some ice. It's nice and sweet.
Wow, that is so nice.
It's kind of like a chai latte, but like cold.
Yeah, but fresh.
Oh, I think so.
And instantly you became a chef.
Chef Stacey.
It becomes as soon as you put that on, it becomes official. So the first dish that we're about to start is the duck satay lilit. Is that what it said?
Yes.
Duck satay lilit. So we've got a whole bunch of ingredients that we've just shown. Lots of chilies in there.
Lots of chilies.
Lots
Big
of
chilies,
chilies.
small chilies, every kind of chili.
So apparently we have to cut all of these vegetables so fine, and I feel like our definition of fine versus like what's like the past point is going to be complete.
Fine chop tomatoes about that big.
Exactly right. I did not know that that is the best way to de-seed the chili.
You did it much more gracefully than I did.
Yeah, yours wasn't as graceful. Let's see. I feel like I'm going to do this and it's going to go all over the ceiling. And
Chop, that's why it's called bumbu rajang. Rajang means chop.
I've got black pepper seeds running out, escaping.
So it turns out this is what fine means. Takes a lot of strength.
Very, very fine.
So this is just about to get into the old sizzling pan if I can get it there without spilling it.
Don't drop it. So what's in the pan? What's in here? This is bay leaves and...
Bay leaf and coffee lime leaf.
Yum.
And stalk of lemongrass.
It smells good already.
Yeah, it smells great.
At the same time.
We're definitely lucky today because I'm doing a lot of filming. Stace is doing a lot of cooking, and we've inherited a helpful chef. So normally everybody would have. So everyone would normally have their own station, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're just lucky today because it's only the two of us. I can film. We've got all of our food being prepared. Well, all of my food being prepared for me.
Lucky for some, huh? Yeah.
Not here. Alright?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that just went flat.
You see that? It's like a pancake now.
Yeah, make a big ball.
Okay.
So these are the skewers that we're now going to put
Skewers,
this onto. So now this has got duck and egg and coconut cream and stuff in it to hopefully thicken it up. Have you done a good job though, do you think?
Let's hope that my hand-eye coordination is okay.
Go down. It's very, very slow movement. Use your
This is like listening to a podcast. Gently put it on.
Okay, I'm gonna start moving it down.
From the top, your hand like this. Go down, go down.
If I let go, it's gonna fall off. I feel like mine is much larger
No, you're doing good.
than it should be.
And it can go longer.
Yeah, it's very similar because then once you put some oil on, so this is the one they connected here, very similar. Right? Everything on the table's rocking because Stacey's here mashing away. So we've made a couple of sambals here. These are absolutely delicious and spicy. Our next one is, how do I say that one?
Karangasem.
Karangasem.
Sambal udang.
Sambal udang. So it's sort of like a sambal mixture with some prawns, some massive prawns here, and everything being mixed up.
Curry paste.
The curry paste is all there. So these are the duck sautés that we made earlier. You do see these in the street quite often. And this is coconut charcoal, right?
Yeah.
So that we get some of the flavor from the coconut coming up onto the duck as well. I am so excited to eat. So we're about 2 hours. Oh, firstly, look, this is legit. I am helping. I'm not just a cameraman. I was thinking somebody's gonna watch this and be like, ugh, he's not even helping. I've been doing lots of chopping, lots of preparation. So we've just cooked the prawns in like the curried paste. It's been 2 hours and we haven't actually eaten any food yet. So I'm like, my mouth is watering. I'm just so ready to eat. I'm gonna try this little curry paste first. Oh my God. It's so,
You're cheating. You're not supposed to be eating.
it is so rich. It's a little bit of like the prawns sort of giving it a little bit of flavor. And now we've got the Nawa Kalasan, which has got jackfruit and long beans and shrimp paste and shallot and garlics and lemon and all sorts of stuff. It's an enormous mixture. Now, Kadex asked me to taste it to see what it needs. I have no idea what it needs. It needs nothing, it's actually perfect. I'm holding this big bowl like I'm just gonna sit here and eat this whole meal.
Now that Dane has made sure everything's perfect, taste-wise, it's time to present our food. So you cook it all and then a beautiful plate comes out with some steamed rice, and then you kind of just pick however much you want of each thing that we've cooked, and then we'll sit down and try it all and hope that it tastes as good as it looks and smells.
So this is the plate.
I'm scared.
Wow, amazing first
Wow.
touch. Wow, you're
I
a
did it.
natural.
So this is all the amazing food that we've cooked, and when it's all mixed like this on one plate, it's called nasi campur. So we've got our satay, our duck satays, which are calling my name.
We're sort of lucky we didn't even have to cook those ourselves.
No, we didn't. That's amazing. So this was the duck with all the spices and stuff. You can really taste the, sorry, talking with my mouth full. You can really taste the chili and the caramelized sugar in there and a bit of coconut. And then you can see all the grill marks as well from the charcoal coconut. No, the coconut charcoal.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Does it have a bit of a, like a smoky, coconutty?
It's a bit smoky, but that chili is like, whew.
That's a nice amount.
It's gonna hit you. How are you going over there?
So I should just mention, spicing is the spices that we use are selective.
Yeah.
You have the choice of to how much you use. Apparently Kadek was saying that sometimes people come and they use 0. Sometimes there's people that come and they put too much in, and I'm not sure if I'm that person yet. But we put a reason. So we like spice, and as you guys will know, we spend a lot of time in Asia, so we like the spices that come with it, with the meals. But this is like a good taste and challenge for me right now. I'm gonna try the prawns in the curry sauce. So much better than any restaurant that we've been to. It's like a soft, sort of like mild curry, not like some curries are like overbearing. You know what I mean? That's a really nice flavour. And then got a collection of these like vegetables here as well, which is what we chopped up at the end in the massive bowl. And it's quite nice to have that to eat all of the spicy stuff. Have a sip of some water, have some vegetables, get into some bintang, and then start the process with spices all over again. One last meal, of course. I feel bad we didn't cook this, we didn't prepare it, we didn't go and didn't catch this fruit. What have we got?
We've got coconut ice cream. These, I don't know what these are.
No, I don't know what this little pointy thing either, yeah.
And then fruit, and then beautiful
papaya, some
syrup.
Dragon fruit, some watermelon. Delish.
Oh, yes.
Wow, okay.
Wow.
We're very full right now after all of that food, and I don't know, it's always hard to get your words out when you've had like such a fun day. Or not, actually not even a day, it's only been, well, 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
The whole experience, the beautiful people, the incredible food, it's just a combination for goodness.
It really is, it just feels like, and so we've got so much more time in the afternoon to go and do what we want now as well.
To have a nap.
We can genuinely say, if you are coming to Bali, if you're spending any time in Canggu, come along and do a class with these guys, because, so even back here, can't really see, but in the kitchen back here, there's about 3 other staff, and they just sort of like float around and they're chatty and friendly.
Yeah.
It's just so welcoming and such a calm like feeling back here. So if you do, make sure you say that you watch this video, say hello from us.
Yeah, say hi from us.
Yeah, it's really nice. We always get messages from people being like, hey, we did this so-and-so, and we spoke to the person that was with you guys, and it's always really nice. Thank you so much for watching.
And we'll catch you in the comments.
Bye.